Hey guys, wanted to do this as raw as possible, so hope you enjoy. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm John the Legend, and I'm a beginner YouTuber just like you. And today I'm going to share 5 tips that I wish I knew when I first started my YouTube journey. So if you're just starting out or thinking about it, stick around and let's get into it.
Pixels light the way, another quest begins through the dungeons, deserts, and the cyber winds. With every jump, every win, we're riding our tail.
Tip number 1. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. I'm not. I know we all want our videos to look amazing right from the start, but trust me, perfection is overrated. You don't need fancy equipment or professional editing skills. Just start creating. Your first video might not be the best, and that's totally okay. You'll improve as you go. The most important thing is to start and learn along the way. So as you guys can see, I had 7 views for my first upload, which is not bad. But check out my video. As you can see, my first short did a lot better than the first normal video I did. So like I said, consistency and just keeping a positive mind will help. Tip number 2. Find your niche. It's so easy to get caught up in doing what everyone else is doing, but it's important to find something you're passionate about. Your audience will connect with you more if you're authentic and focused on a specific topic. Whether it's gaming, vlogging, cooking, or tutorials, make sure you have a niche that excites you and keeps you motivated to create more content. Tip number 3. Consistency. Consistency is key. One thing I learned the hard way is that posting regularly is what keeps your audience engaged. It doesn't mean you have to upload every day, but try to find a schedule that works for you. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, just be consistent with your uploads so your viewers know when to expect new content from you. So consistency. I uploaded consistently and one of my videos got over 1,000 views. Tip number 4. Engage with your audience. This might seem like a no-brainer, but responding to comments, asking for feedback, and interacting with your community can really help grow your channel. People love it when they feel like they're part of something. So take the time to reply to your comments, thank your subscribers, and even ask them what they want to see next. Building that connection is crucial. Tip number 5. Don't compare yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Especially when you're starting out. It's easy to get caught up in comparing your growth to other channels. But trust me, everyone's journey is different. Focus on your own growth and celebrate small wins. It's about improvement, not competition. So there you have it. 5 tips I wish I knew when I started my YouTube channel. Remember, it's all about starting, staying consistent, and enjoying the process. If you're just beginning, don't get discouraged. We're all in this together. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join me on this YouTube journey. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you wish you know when you started YouTube? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Pixels light the way, another quest begins. Through the dungeons, deserts, and the cyber winds. With every jump, every win, we're writing our tale. From noob to legend, we will prevail. Hit the start, no looking back. Controllers in hand on the right track. We're streaming dreams, making worlds collide. 1,000 voices cheering worldwide. Level up, let's rise and play. Through the night and into the day. From the pixels to